Hi everybody, Chuck from Blackout Tinting, going over our latest upfit for the City of Latrobe Fire Chief. Thank you to our friends at Ross Wraps for the graphics, all 3M reflective, and it is all printed on the 3M reflective. Starting at the top, we have our Fusion S light bar, controlled by the quad converter. Down here to the sides, we did something a little bit special in his F150 emblem. We put a star signal lantern, 3-color module in there. This module will do red and amber as it sits here in a park mode. As soon as you go to the emergency mode, it goes red, amber, white. On the front of the vehicle, we have the Go Rhino push bar with the Phoenix Triton speaker mounted below it. Also on the push bar, we have 4 Phoenix quad modules. Right now in the park mode, they will do red and amber flashing. Whenever you go to the drive mode, they go red, amber, white. Also with every module in the push bar, when we go to a work light floodlight mode, these will all go to white solid. On the back of the vehicle, we have the red and gray chevron to match the red and gray lettering scheme of the truck. In the back, we have a customer supplied vault for all of his stuff. That will keep all his belongings locked up safely. We added a Trifecta 2.0 tri-fold soft tarp. Underneath the back seat, we installed the customer's high band repeater system. Into the front seat of the vehicle, we have our Havas console, customer supplied radios, and also our Phoenix 4200 DL controller. As you can see, whenever this controller is sitting here, it's very bright. We have added a dim mode for nighttime operations. Also in the console, we have added a lockable box for the fire chief's keys. Top of this vehicle, we put on the antennas for the multiple radios. We have an 800 megahertz antenna in the front. We have the normal high band antenna here on the passenger side of the vehicle, and on the driver's side, we have the high band repeater system. Okay, first we have our red and amber park mode, the front push bar, the side lights in the F150 emblem, the light bar, and also the rear tail light wigwags are all that's on right now. All the whites are cut out. Whenever we go to emergency mode, out of park mode, as you see, it turns on the whites in the light bar. The side lights and also the push bar go into the red, amber, white mode. Available to the driver is also the work light mode, that all these surface mount lights will turn white, steady white. That will be useful for the first vehicle on scene and also trying to see house numbers on the side of the road. A little something we added in just for fun. That'd be it for this upfit of the F150 responder unit we did for the City of Latrobe Fire Chief. Watch YouTube, TikTok for more of our upfits and little videos of what we got coming up in the future. Thanks for watching.